Why, hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name, of course, is Eric. So today we're gonna be taking a look at some products that I got in the mail from Saramonic. So I will say I've had some of these products in the studio for a couple weeks now, but I haven't gotten the time to test them out or anything, so we're gonna start that process today with an unboxing and first look. This is a budget-friendly shotgun microphone called the Saramonic SRM3. I think it costs around $39, $40, I believe. And like I said, this is a budget-friendly shotgun microphone. The microphone I'm using right now, which is above me, is the Rode VideoMic Pro, and it costs about $200. So this one, like I said, is pretty budget-friendly. But what do you get for only 40 bucks? Well, looking at the unit, yes, it's all made of plastic, but it is rather compact. The cord, which is a 3.5 millimeter input, is attached. But looking on the side of the device, you have a mic input, which I find a little interesting. Maybe I can connect two microphones together and make a stereo audio system. Not really sure. You also have a headphone jack so you can monitor audio. Moving on, you have your on and off switch. You also have 0 or plus 10 dB in terms of your audio gain. So keep in mind, you're gonna need a AA battery to power this unit, but that's gonna allow you to boost the audio in the microphone and turn your camera preamp down. So if you can turn the audio preamps down on your camera, but turn the preamp in the microphone up more, hypothetically, you should be getting really good audio. Let's move into our next product, and that is this guy, the Saramonic UwMic9. This is going to be a wireless audio system. And let's dive right into it. All right, so paperwork, don't need that. Here is the box. So opening it up, you're greeted with all of the goodies. So first we have our wireless transmitter. And just picking this up, it's all made out of metal. It feels really good. It has some weight to it, honestly. So this is the mic transmitter. So you're gonna be connecting your microphone to this. This is probably gonna be clipping onto you, onto your subject, whatever. Next, we have the receiver. So this is going to receive the audio from the transmitter, from your microphone, and go directly into the camera. Moving on, we have, it looks like some adapters for the receiver. So I guess I can connect these two together and then I can mount the receiver onto like my camera's hot shoe or onto a tripod. Let's actually connect these. All right, so I simply attach these now, and now I have this bracket so I can mount this to, like I said, a hot shoe mount or a tripod. It also has this clip, so I could hypothetically clip this to my subject, to a belt, whatever you want to do, probably like a cameraman. Anyway, moving on, we have our microphone. Ooh, it's all tangled up. So this is gonna go into our receiver like so, and it's really nice that it has a locking thread. So once I connect this to the receiver, you don't have to worry about anyone pulling out the microphone, which is great. Continuing on, I guess we have our camera inputs. So if you're using a standard camera with the receiver, you have just a simple aux in. So this will connect to the receiver. Again, it's a locking thread. And then this part will go into your camera. Now, if you have a camera with an XLR or you have an audio interface that you want to connect these microphones to, you also have your XLR adapter, which again can go into the receiver, and it is a locking thread. So those are the basics of both these units, the wireless mic and the Saramonic shotgun microphone. So look forward to a comprehensive review on all these products. If you have any questions, comments, or anything about these products, let me know in the comment section below, and hopefully I will answer them in the upcoming review, demo, whatever. Anyway, that's today's video, and I'll catch you in the next one.